How to find someone on Roblox without their username. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this easy tutorial. To find someone on Roblox, start off by launching your Roblox application and search for roblox.com in your website. Now to search for a person, you definitely need their username. However, if you have forgotten it, try this hack. Press on Ctrl plus H to launch your search history or your browsing history. Click on the Roblox along with the username that you have visited. With a single click, you will be at the person's profile. Just tap on Add Friend then. That is how you will be able to find someone on Roblox without typing in the username. However, it will definitely require you to know the username of the person that you want to follow or join on Roblox. If you don't know the username of the person, sadly, you will not be able to join or be friends with them in your Roblox. So make sure to find out the username of the person, whether by communicating with them or by any means possible. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.